Hey people, welcome to the first episode of You Ratchet Bitches, the show where I go off and help you ratchet bitches acknowledge that you ratchet. First on You Ratchet Bitches, Facebook. First thing I want to talk about as it pertains to Facebook are these ratchet ass statuses you bitches be putting up. Cause the shit pisses me off personally. When you all on Facebook writing long ass messages, long elaborate ass messages, talking about how you the bigger person and you not going to stoop down to their level, acknowledges your ratchetness. Like how you the bigger person, but you all on Facebook talking about if this bitch really want to see me, meet me this place, that place, I'll fuck her up, this, that, and the third. That bitch, you're not the bigger person. You're more ratchet than the last bitch. Cause at least the last bitch had the decency to keep the shit in the streets. What your dumb ratchet ass do? Oh, I'ma take it to Facebook. Now who looks stupid? Bitch, you. Cause you ratchet. Nice thing about statuses. If you bitches don't stop posting statuses at motherfucking 2 o'clock in the afternoon talking about Patron shots, like, bitch, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Go get a motherfucking job with your ratchet ass. Like the rest of us do. Hey, bitch, you 30 years old doing shots of Patron in the daytime. How the fuck is you feeding your family? Like, get it together. Shit is ridiculous, man. Lastly, about the Facebook statuses. I'm so sick of you no life having ass bitches always talking about some motherfucking know me. Know what? That you ratchet? That's all I know. Cause you're not doing shit with your life. So I see you in the hood all day, hooving up niggas weed, fucking with this man cause he got bottles and he got packed. You ain't got nothing on nothing. Trying to suck something up. But you talking about know me. Bitch, get a job. Do something for a nigga to know you. That bitch, all I know right now is that you ratchet. But enough of the Facebook statuses. Let me move on. Next thing I want to talk about is these Facebook pictures. Y'all bitches on Facebook kill me when half of y'all motherfucking pictures is ass out, thong showing, half naked, and then the nigga hit you up trying to see what's up and you talking about I ain't no hoe. Bitch, I can't tell. Wise man once told me, look like a duck, act like a duck, quack like a duck. It's a motherfucking duck. So bitch, if you don't want a nigga to treat you like a hoe, then stop looking and acting like a hoe. With all these ridiculous ass pictures. Enough about Facebook for this episode. More of Facebook shit on the later episode. But I'm gonna go ahead and move on. Next I want to talk about these ratchet ass mamas. Firstly, if your baby know how to drop it low and can't say her ABCs, you failed as a mother. and you ratchet as fuck. Like, why the fuck does your baby know how to pop it and drop it, but I ask her to say her ABCs or to spell her name? That little motherfucker ain't got no idea. Why? Because you ratchet and she taking after you. Ratchetness and training. Don't be like that. So we gotta do better, people. Get your shit together. Teach your baby your ABCs. Next. If your hairdo costs more than your rent, you are ratchet. Shit is ridiculous. You dumb bitches out here paying $400-500 for a hairdo, and your rent $250. And then when rent time come, you ain't even got the motherfucking rent money. You bitches is blood. And you need to stop that shit. Cause you only hurting yourself. And niggas just gonna look at you. It's that ratchet bitch that always got her head done, but ain't never got money to pay her rent. Man, you got kids. You ain't got no job. Let's understand it's hard times out here. Hard economic times. But when I touch back on this got a little bit, kinda got to do with Facebook. But when I see, understand, can't get a job or whatever. When I see you bitches on Facebook and all out here in these streets talking about what's the move, bitch, you ratchet. You wanna know what the move is? Getting a motherfucking job. The move is knocking out this unemployment that your ass is currently facing. Don't be worrying about no club and shit. Get a motherfucking job. And then, you bitches that ain't got no job ain't getting assistance. You out here selling your fucking food stamps. And then come the 20th, your kids hungry as shit. And you ain't got no food. And so they eating motherfucking oodles and noodles for 10 days. With your ratchet ass. Cause you drinking goose. You trying to get some loud. Like, bitch, keep them food stamps. Feed your child. It's a win-win situation. This last thing I'm talking about. Something, it's really not all the girls' fault. All the girls aren't ratchet for this. But the odds heavily fall in the favor of ratchetness when you're 16 years old or 17 or 18 and have multiple baby daddies. Like, bitch, you ain't even out of school. How the fuck you got 2-3 baby daddies? Shit is ridiculous. Get your life together, cause you ratchet as fuck, and I don't approve of it. And neither does anyone else who see your ratchet ass at 16 years old walking with double baby strokes. This shit is ignorant. And then the ratchetest shit is you got 2 babies, but you don't want to get on birth control because it's gonna make you blow up, or you gonna get fat. Okay. Cause a fucking baby sitting in your fucking belly won't do that. It only weighs 7 pounds on average. Sure, you lose a lot of weight getting pregnant. Dumb bitch, take birth control. It's not that hard. You're 16. You got your whole life ahead of you. Stop the dumb shit. But I'ma chill. Say that was all for the first episode of You Ratchet Bitches. Say tune in for more. Follow me on Twitter at He's Still High. And holla at your boy. Kush life, baby. Till next time.